Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to the channel. My name is Nelson. Today we have a 2006 Honda Civic LX. She's a two-door Honda Civic. This car, well, we're gonna find out how reliable it is. 53, we're selling it for $53.99. 2006 Honda Civic LX. It has 224,000 miles on it. Woo! It's a lot of miles. She's silver. Gets 30 mpg in the city, 40 mpg on the freeway. She's actually in pretty good shape. A little dirty here on the inside. Seats are a little stained up. Back seats are used as well. The headliner is black. The interior is gray. Sun visors are gray. This front visor has a little bit of wear. Kind of just falls down a bit. This one does not. Everything working. Let's get some AC going. It's about 100 something degrees here in Turlock, California. Oh, thank you, AC. Thank you so much. It works. All right. Little shakiness to it when the compressor kicks on and off, but I mean, it's a Honda Civic with 200,000 miles. We're gonna find out how reliable it is. Let's see what's on the radio. Woo! That is loud. As you can see, there's some damage to the radio here. It's a little faded out. The speakers sound good though. Got our glove box here. Oh, did I tell you guys? I showed you the paper, but did I tell you guys? So anyway, we do have the Carfax for it. It doesn't say it here, but this is a one owner Honda Civic. The original miles, 224,000 miles. It does have an accident reported on it, which is a minor accident in the rear, as you guys could see earlier. But let's see how she drives. Let's see how she performs. Is an accident a big deal? I mean, it's obviously better to have that accident repaired. I just shifted it into drive. Shifted really well. AC's good, nice and cold. It's making a bit of a noise, but I think that's normal. Wow, the brakes are really good. Oh, snaps. Oh my God, I almost ran over a bunch of homeless people. Jesus Christ. It's just bad here in Turlock. It's got good acceleration. Just a 1.8 liter motor, 4-cylinder iVTEC. Going 42 and it drives great. A little bit of road noise, possible suspension maybe. I'm not sure where it's coming from, whether the rear or the front. Not sure 100%. But I mean, the more I drive it, the more we're gonna find out about it. So transmission shifts fine. It's a 5-speed automatic. And I feel absolutely nothing in the transmission. I mean, it shifts perfectly. And I think we have done a lot of service to this vehicle. Usually when they have a lot of miles, they need a lot of service. So that's already been done. We did the motor oil, transmission oil. It's got 4 brand new tires. It's got rotors. And I believe a few sensors. It said this is a one owner, and I know it has a lot of service records. I think on the Carfax there was about 30 service records. Yeah, and there's no, even though with 200,000 miles, there's no doubt in my mind this is a good car. You can tell right off the bat that it accelerates just great, accelerates just fine. You know, like that. You can tell it's a healthy. So far, so good. If you guys are enjoying the video, give us a like, a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Let me know how much miles your Honda Civic has. The Civic this year, this body style, we have so many of them. We're like a Honda dealership. We have nothing but used Honda Civics. We got a ton of them, miles ranging from everywhere. All right, let me hit the freeway real quick. So I'm going 70 miles an hour. So I'm going 71. And the steering's pretty good. There's no shakiness in the wheel. The alignment might be slightly off. Going 75. So there's a tad bit of shaking at 75, but very, very mild, very, very tiny. I don't think I'm gonna be able to hit 80. But I mean, why you gotta go so fast? The speed limit's 65 here. And I'm trying to go 80 miles an hour. Let's cool it down a little bit. I usually just drive 70. At 70, you don't feel a thing. Let me do a hard brake and see how that feels. Excellent. There was no vibration. It stopped instantly. I was going 70 all the way down to like 58. That was really excellent. I mean, for a used vehicle with 220,000 miles, wow, it's performing excellent. No doubt in my mind that this car is reliable. From the minute I stepped on the gas, you just, like I said, you feel it. You know, right away you know when a car is good. This runs straight, it runs good. The suspension feels good, especially on these good roads. The brakes are great. You know, right away you you feel it when you hit the brake. AC still good, AC still blowing cold. Motor's nice and quiet. The car is idling perfect. It's idling just fine, exactly where it's supposed to be. See, we got some steering wheel wear right here, but that's really about it, other than some stains and stuff. This car is a stud. I believe these are ranged to go about 300,000 miles, and then us grabbing it, doing all the service, and you know, putting it up for sale. It's going to be really reliable for the next person as well. Shout out to Honda for making an awesome car. Surfs up. Did an excellent job. Excellent MPG, excellent design, super aerodynamic. 0 to 60, let's go. Woo. Oh yeah, baby. Woo! No cops. Oh, I'm going 70. I gotta slow down. No cops around nowhere. Quick cop check. Make sure I don't get pulled over. Last thing I want to do is get a ticket. Man, I just got a ticket the other day. I got the craziest ticket. I got a ticket for running away from the police. It was crazy, which I didn't even run away from the police. It comes in, the ticket, $500. And I was like, oh my God, how am I gonna pay this freaking $500 ticket? Whew. But I ended up going to court, fought it, ended up winning it. I can't even believe it. I won a $500 ticket, didn't have to pay nothing. They stopped me for not having any plates, which, you know, I drive dealer cars, so I was just running around town. I didn't see the cop behind me, and apparently he was behind me for a while. Man, he pulled me over for that, for not having license plates, and then it was just a whole mess. I didn't have any of the paperwork for the car, so they probably thought it was stolen. They thought I was driving a stolen car and I was running away from the police. Man, they put me in handcuffs. The whole deal, man, it was just insane. But I ended up getting out of it, thank God. Didn't have to pay anything. Whew, and I'm lucky, and I do not want to get another ticket. Anyway, whew, the test drive is over. 2006 Honda Civic has survived. Temperature looks good, fuel looks good. It's idling perfectly. There's no weird noises, no funny sounds, no funny smells. Yeah, just a good Honda Civic. 200,000 miles, and it has, you know, survived my test drive. Just lets you know how good, how reliable these cars are. Again, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the comments. Thanks, guys.